So let's start over. A quotient, it's a division problem. So we're told that the quotient of n and -5. So think about this. It would be n and -5. Right? N divided by -5 has a result of 2. So it equals 2. I want to get n by itself and all the other stuff on the other side. Okay? Now, the way that I do that is I do the opposite. So this is interesting because what is the -5 do into n? No, it's dividing. What's the opposite of dividing by -5? Multiplication. So I'm going to multiply this by -5 over 1, and then over here I'm going to multiply by -5. Now, the 5's will cancel because -5 divided by -5 equals 1. 1 times n is just n. What's 2 times -5? -10. Any questions?